Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making buttermilk fried chicken, easy and crispy. We're using homemade buttermilk. You will see a link to this 2-ingredient recipe at the end of this episode, and also you can find it below this video. In a large bowl, place the chicken pieces. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne, white pepper and herbs, oregano, thyme, sage and rosemary. Mix it well and combine it with buttermilk. Marinate it for 6 hours or leave it in the fridge overnight. Make seasoned flour by mixing together flour, salt, paprika, cayenne, white pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. Dredge the chicken in the flour mixture so it will be nicely coated all over. In a deep skillet or stainless steel casserole, heat 1 inch of oil to 300 Fahrenheit. We are using stainless steel casserole for this recipe, by the way. Fry the chicken in batches at 300 Fahrenheit, turning only once until golden. Approximately it takes 15 to 18 minutes. Set a rack over a baking sheet lined with the paper towels. Transfer the chicken to the paper-lined rack and let's stand it for 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy! As I promised before, here comes a recipe of homemade buttermilk. Click on this link to watch easy and healthy 2-ingredient buttermilk made at home. Listen guys, how crispy it is! If you like this recipe and you are going to make it, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe.